Hey guys, so today's video is a little bit different than all of my others. It's not a typical recipe video. I want to tell you about something that is very close to my heart, something that I've been working on for 3 years. I've never worked on anything so hard and so long, but here it is. I have created a brand new company. The company is called High Note, and I created this company with an amazing team of artists. And one of the coolest things about this company is that it is led by the incredible Chef Roy Choi. If you've never heard of Chef Roy, he is the guy that's credited for creating the food truck revolution. He also has an amazing show on Netflix, so you've got to check it out. But back to the product. So we created this company called High Note, and our mission is to make cooking at home easier, healthier, and faster, because that's something that we all need in our day-to-day lives. Our first product is called Cheezio Pepe, and this is the world's first creamy pasta seasoning. That's right, I said a creamy pasta seasoning. It sounds crazy, but this little packet can do so much for your life, and this tastes incredible. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to use Cheezio Pepe. It is so easy, and you can have a chef quality meal in less than 13 minutes. All right guys, so this is what you need to make Cheezio Pepe. You of course need 1 packet of High Note's Cheezio Pepe. Next, you're gonna need a box of pasta. You could also use an alternative pasta, gluten-free, brown rice pasta, really any kind of pasta works for this. And you could also use spaghetti squash, and there's also probably a million other things you can do with Cheezio Pepe, but we're gonna do pasta today. You need a little bit of butter, and you need some olive oil. First thing we're gonna do is to cook our pasta. And if you look on the back of our packet, we give you really super clear instructions as to what to do, but we call for 10 ounces of pasta for this amount of pasta seasoning. There's usually 1 pound of pasta in a package. That's 16 ounces, 10 ounces, about 2/3 of that. You don't have to be that precise with it, but I'm gonna grab about 2/3 of the package out, and let's drop it in the boiling water. I've already salted the pasta water, so I just give the pasta a little bit of a bend to help it get in there before it burns on the side of the pot. Now that the pasta is in the pot, I'm gonna let it cook for just about 12 minutes until it's a little bit al dente. All right guys, our pasta just finished cooking, but before we drain it, we need to do something. So take a measuring cup. We are gonna reserve 3/4 of a cup of pasta water. I basically just do 1 full cup, and then I'll show you what I do with it after. So grab out 1 full cup, or 3/4 cup if you want, of pasta water, and we're just gonna set this aside. Now I'm gonna go drain my pasta off camera. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. So this is where the recipe gets super fun. Now what we're gonna do is take our Cheezio Pepe packet and rip it open. I'm gonna add the whole thing into the pot. Our Cheezio Pepe seasoning is completely gluten-free. It has no fillers, no chemicals, nothing extra added, no preservatives, and it is totally plant-based. Now I'm gonna add in my butter. So according to the recipe on the back of our packet, we call for anywhere between 2 and 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna use 4 because the more butter you use, the creamier it gets. And if you're a vegan or plant-based eater, you can definitely use a vegan butter or just use all olive oil. Next, I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm gonna add in my 3/4 cup of reserved pasta water. And I'm gonna do this a little bit slowly. So I'm gonna add first about half the cup, and then I'm gonna start giving it a mix. And what you're gonna see is this creamy pasta form out of nowhere. It's like this really amazing umami that we're gonna create. It's like truly magical, guys. So all you have to do is just keep mixing. Keep mixing. You wanna melt that butter. You wanna get everything nicely combined. Okay, Aman, come get a shot of this. Like in 30 seconds, look at this. Look at how creamy this is. Look at all this cream at the bottom here. And let me remind you guys that we didn't use any dairy whatsoever. This is all completely plant-based. So that's why I say it's like truly a miracle product. I've been working on this for like 3 years, and I still get amazed seeing this beautiful creamy pasta form right before my eyes. It's so awesome. Okay, I don't even need to add the rest of the reserved pasta water. This is looking perfect. So let me show you how it came out. Look at how beautiful this pasta is. Oh, check this out. All right, guys, let's give it a taste. This is so good. This Cheezio Pepe seasoning from our company High Note is so incredibly flavorful. And as you saw, this meal came together less than 15 minutes. It's so easy. Literally anybody of any cooking level can make this and have a great experience. I'm gonna put the link to our website in the description below, and I really would encourage you guys, go to our website, check out the product, and if you're interested, we would love your support. Please buy a pack, buy 3, buy 6, give them out to your family and friends. I know they're gonna love it. Thank you so much.